You won't believe how many drivers are destroying their tires in under 20,000 miles, and it's not always their fault. Hey everyone, welcome back. Every single week in the shop I pull off tires that are bald at 15,000 miles when they should easily hit 50,000 or more. The crazy part? A lot of these premature failures come down to one decision: buying the wrong tire brand. Today I'm breaking down the 7 tire brands you should avoid at all costs, even if they look like a steal. But stick around, because I'm also revealing 13 tire brands that are quietly delivering 60,000, 70,000, and even 90,000 plus miles for real drivers. Let's dive in. Number 7. Geostar Tires. These Chinese-made tires often fly under the radar until you hit the road. While China produces some excellent tires you'll see a couple later, Geostar consistently lands near the bottom in independent tests. Consumer Reports has called them out as one of the weakest performers, and that reputation has stuck for good reason. The biggest red flag drivers report is poor wet weather grip. On dry pavement they might feel okay at first, but add rain and the traction drops off sharply. Steering feels vague and disconnected at highway speeds, which makes the whole car feel unstable when you need confidence most. On top of that, the tread wears down surprisingly fast for the price. What seems like a budget win up front turns into frequent replacements and higher long-term costs. That's never a smart trade-off. Number 6. Westlake Tires. Another budget Chinese brand, this one owned by the massive Jiangyi Rubber Group. The parent company makes some solid tires sold globally, but Westlake often gets the short end when it comes to durability. The formula is simple. Rock-bottom pricing means corners get cut on rubber compounds in construction. Drivers regularly notice the tread looking worn out way earlier than expected. Wet performance is another weak spot. The tread pattern struggles to evacuate water, leaving the car feeling less planted in rain. Not every set is a disaster, but the pattern is clear. When price is the only priority, longevity suffers. Number 5. Auto Green Tires. I'm not anti any country, great tires come from everywhere. But I also won't sugarcoat poor performers, and Auto Green has drawn plenty of criticism even inside China for durability issues. The most common complaint is shockingly short tread life. Some drivers see tires worn out between 10,000 and 20,000 miles. That's unacceptable for something that should last years. Uneven wear is another frequent issue. One side or section bald faster than the rest, creating vibrations at speed and an uncomfortable ride. Grip on both dry and wet roads often feels less confident than better-built options. These problems add up fast. Number 4. Carlisle Tires. Note that this brand rebranded to Carler, so you might recognize it under the new name. It has deep roots in Pennsylvania and some American manufacturing, which earns it automatic trust for a lot of folks. But made in USA doesn't automatically mean great. Recent driver feedback highlights rapid tread wear and weaker puncture resistance. The compound can feel too soft, leading to quicker degradation, especially in hot weather where roads get punishing. Some sets hold up okay, but the volume of complaints about early failure has many experienced drivers looking elsewhere. Number 3. Zhaoyang Tires. Back to China, this brand comes from the same large Jiangyi Rubber Group we mentioned earlier. On paper, a top 10 global producer should deliver strong results, but real-world performance often falls short. These tires frequently end up on budget cars and price-sensitive replacements. The main issues are accelerated tread wear, especially on highways, and reduced wet traction that leaves the car feeling less secure in rain. Consistency from set to set can vary too. They're not undrivable, but they rarely deliver the peace of mind or mileage you want. Number 2. Older problem models. Sometimes the issue isn't the brand overall, but specific outdated models that were never designed for today's vehicles. Modern cars, trucks, and especially heavy RVs are heavier, faster, and put far more stress on tires than models from 20-30 years ago. Classic example is the Goodyear G159 on CERT class, a motorhomes like older Fleetwood American Dream and Eagle models. Owners from the late 90s into early 2000s reported dangerous heat buildup and failures on long highway runs. Heavy weight plus sustained high speeds overwhelmed the design. The takeaway: always match the exact tire model to your vehicle's demands and current real-world use. Brand name alone isn't enough. Number 1. No-name or ultra-cheap import tires. These are the absolute riskiest, the nameless tires you see on discount lots, online marketplaces, or already mounted on some used cars with big promises. No reputation, no consistent quality control. Many use subpar rubber and weak belts, leading to rapid wear, easy overheating on hot roads, and unpredictable traction in the rain. Blowouts become a real danger, especially at highway speeds. Quality can vary wildly even within the same batch. They might save you money today, but the safety risks and repeat replacement costs make them one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. That covers the tires to skip. Now for the good stuff, here are 13 tire brands that are actually delivering serious mileage. Number 13, Falcon Tires. Excellent choice for trucks, SUVs, and crossovers like the Jeep Gladiator, Ford Bronco Sport, Porsche Macan, Mazda Miata, and Toyota Tundra. Made by Sumitomo Rubber Industries, these tires emphasize tough construction with reinforced sidewalls and strong tread blocks. They shine in mixed highway and light off-road use. Drivers praise the confident handling and gradual, predictable wear. The Wildpeak AT3W, for example, earns high marks for longevity even under load. Many owners easily clear 60,000 miles with proper care. Number 12, Nokian Tires. This Finnish brand might surprise you, but they've been pioneers in extreme condition tires since inventing the first winter tire back in 1934. Nokian excels with reinforced sidewalls, specialized compounds that resist cracking and uneven wear, and clever features like pothole protection technology. Even after heavy use, the tread stays deep and effective. They're ideal for harsh winters and all-weather reliability. With good maintenance, 60,000 plus miles is very achievable. Number 11, Kumho Tires. Here's proof that you don't always have to pay premium prices for solid longevity. Kumho tires often cost 30–40% less than big-name options yet deliver impressive real-world durability. They focus on balanced, everyday performance with firm compounds that resist fast wear. The Exta series is a standout, even tread wear, stable highway manners, and predictable steering response that holds up over time. Great value when you want reliability without overspending. Number 10, Firestone Tires. A true American classic with over a century of history. Firestone backs most models with a strong gold pledge warranty and a generous 90-day try-and-buy period, something few brands offer. Quality got another boost after the Bridgestone acquisition, leading to more consistent materials and processes. Models like the Destination LE3 are known for steady wear and comfortable highway performance. Many drivers comfortably hit 60,000 plus miles. Number 9, BF Goodrich Tires. Owned by Michelin, so expectations are high, and BF Goodrich delivers, especially for trucks, SUVs, and off-road enthusiasts. The all-terrain T, a KO2 and newer KO3 are legends for their tough sidewalls, deep tread, and ability to handle dirt, gravel, and pavement without wearing out quickly. Even under heavy loads, wear stays remarkably even. These tires routinely push well past 60,000 miles for dedicated owners. Number 8, Cooper Tires. Another strong American brand from Ohio that focuses on real-world reliability at fair prices. Many drivers report 50, 000, 70, 000 plus miles with normal maintenance. The CS5 Grand Touring often carries up to an 80,000-mile treadwear warranty. Silica compounds and advanced sipping help with wet and light snow traction. Models like the Discoverer AT34S and Endura Max add serious all-weather capability. The Goodyear acquisition in 2021 brought even more tech upgrades. Number 7, Yokohama Tires. This Japanese brand has over 100 years of experience blending performance with longevity. Their advanced rubber tech, including orange oil compounds in some lines, keeps tires flexible for grip while dramatically slowing tread wear. The Avid Ascend GT is a favorite for sedans and crossovers, quiet, even-wearing, and strong in wet conditions. Drivers consistently see 60,000 miles and beyond on highway-heavy use. Number 6, Hankook Tires. South Korea's Hankook has climbed rapidly into premium territory. Many models now carry extremely high UTQG treadwear ratings, some around 800–860, signaling slow, even wear. Silica compounds balance grip and durability beautifully. Original equipment use on new vehicles and strong real-world results mean many drivers clear 70,000 miles when they rotate and inflate properly, a brand that keeps exceeding expectations. Number 5, Pirelli Tires. Best known for high-performance and luxury vehicles, Pirelli has made big strides in longevity. The Scorpion AS Plus 3, for instance, combines sporty handling with impressive tread life. Some owners see 80,000 miles with care. Even wear, excellent wet traction and compounds that resist heat and degradation make these a smart pick when you want performance without sacrificing miles. Number 4. Bridgestone Tires. One of the world's largest manufacturers, Bridgestone excels at combining long life, comfort, and safety. Advanced polymer compounds fight heat and wear effectively. The Turanza Quiet-Track is a prime example, up to 80,000 miles on certain sizes, low noise, and smooth handling. Consistent wear patterns mean fewer surprises and vibrations over time. Number 3. Goodyear Tires. An American icon with over a century of trust. The Assurance Max Life stands out with special compounds that fight wear while keeping strong traction and handling. Drivers regularly report 80,000 plus miles with proper rotation. Versatile across sedans, SUVs, and family vehicles with excellent wet road performance. A safe, dependable choice for daily driving. Number 2. Continental Tires. German engineering at its finest. Continental supplies many major automakers, Ford, Ram, etc. as original equipment, so the standards are sky-high from day one. The Ultra Compact NXT and similar models emphasize even wear, strong rain performance, and long-term reliability. Many drivers easily exceed 60,000 miles. Precision design balances comfort, grip, and efficiency perfectly. Number 1. Michelin Tires. The gold standard for many good reasons. Michelin consistently ranks at the top in U.S. tests and owner satisfaction for safety, performance, and mileage. Standouts include the Pilot Sport All-Season 4 for dynamic handling and the Defender LTX MS2 for serious long-life capability. Some drivers push 100,000 plus miles. Independent tests often show them outperforming competitors. For budget-conscious buyers, Hankook and others offer strong alternatives, but Michelin remains the benchmark when you want maximum miles and confidence. One last quick tip most drivers get wrong: 32 psi is not automatically the perfect pressure. Check your door sticker for the recommended cold pressure and monitor it regularly. Wrong pressures cause uneven wear and hurt fuel economy and handling. There you have it, the tires to avoid and the ones worth investing in. Drop a comment with your current tire brand and mileage. I read everyone. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe out there.